Hey guys, so yeah, let me show you the 3D printed accessory parts that I ordered. So it's finally here. First, I want to show you this. These are the rooftop tents, and this is for supposedly for the 12 scale, and this is for the 10 scale. However, so disappointed because they're really actually smaller than what the seller has described. So this is smaller than the 14 scale, and this is a bit smaller for the 10 scale. So I'm currently disputing this one and trying to get a refund and return this one. But yeah, this is how it looks like. All right, so that's already out. Another one is the awning. So the awning. All right, these two awnings are 9 inch in size, the length. I don't like this one, their support, because it's too long. But yeah, I don't like that. So I ordered total of 4. So this is the other one. It's supposed to be for the 12 scale. However, I connected them together. So this is one I'll be using for the 10 scale for the patrol. So yeah, that's a bit longer, but that's how I want it because that's how it is in my real Pajero. Okay, and also we have this ramps, which is nice. Yep, we'll check that out later. And we have these tire racks. I haven't assembled them yet, but yeah, let me do that probably now, later. I don't know. And these are the jerry cans. They're actually nice. Yeah, finish is nice. It's not rough. There's 5 of them. Oh, no, even 4. And there's a rigid text there. So that's cool. And yeah, I like the case as well. And jack stands. So we have, jack stands. It has, this locking mechanism as well, that you can adjust the height. So yeah, that is good. Finish is also okay. All right. There's 4 of them. This is 2 sets, and the other one is the lift jack. Yeah. So this is not functional. The finish is a bit rough. It doesn't move anything at all, and the seller even broke the handle here, which is disappointing. It's a really bad experience here. And the compressor. The compressor, to be honest, it's also good, clean, but I didn't expect it to be so big. So for the 10 scale, I think this is big. Yeah. And other things I bought are the spacers, the lift kit, wheel spacer, and adapters. So this is for the MN82 I'll be using, I guess. We'll see. Alright, so that's it. And I'm planning to set up a garage where in the future video you'll see my garage. Or yeah, it looks better, but we'll see. So that's it for now. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe and comments in the video. Bye.